Hey guys, it's Theo. It's the first Wednesday in a month, which means we're back in the kitchen for another episode of Cooking with Theo. If you ever ask me to name just one anime I like, I will always answer with One Piece. So it's no surprise that I'm gonna try to make the one memorable dish Sanji, my favorite character, made at the beginning of his joining journey. While looking for a recipe myself, I kind of had to notice that there wasn't really a clear answer as to what Sanji cooked for Gin. I thought at first it was just some fried rice with some seafood, but a majority of people on YouTube and other platforms said that it was a risotto. So we're gonna be doing that today. So let's go and jump right into cooking. As always, I put all the ingredients I used in my description box, and if you'd rather read the recipe instead of having to pause and replay, please visit my blog where I wrote down each step I made. I'm going to start by chopping both the onions as well as the garlic into small pieces. You can totally use shallots or white onions as well. Put some olive oil into a non-sticking pan and let the onion mix cook until well done. In the meantime, put on some water and cook the chicken broth. If you have the time and ambition, you can go and try making your own. It will give the dish an even better taste. Let's take the time as well to cut some parsley into small pieces. We're gonna need this one later. While the broth is cooking and the onions are starting to look shiny, let's add the uncooked risotto rice. Let the rice get hot as well until it starts to look transparent. After that, you need to pour in the white wine and let it all simmer until the wine evaporates. Now we can start adding a bit of the broth and let the rice cook. Keep adding the broth and cooking for about 20 minutes or until the rice is done. Now we can add the butter and the parsley and top it all with Parmesan cheese. You can now take the pan off the heat and prepare for the seafood. For that, I'm going to start by squeezing some lemon juice that we will need for the seafood. Now heat up another pan with olive oil and add the meat. I used the tutti mix today, but if you have the possibility to get your hands on fresh octopus, squid and small prawns, totally use them. After seasoning it with salt, pepper and lemon juice, add them to the rice and mix them together. Now let's go and prepare it to be served. Since Sanji made a bowl out of his, I decided to add mine to a container and turn it upside down on a plate. Like this, it kind of has the shape like in the anime. Now let's add some decoration and we are ready to eat. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Or if you don't want to miss out on next month's cooking video, please consider subscribing. And I will see you all next time. Ciao!